Radmin VPN review. Is it legit or a scam? So Radmin VPN launched in 2016 by Tech. It's operating in Russia and it's via a VVI entity. It is a free Windows only virtual LAN tool and not a traditional VPN. It allows you to simulate local network connections for gaming or remote desktop access by creating encrypted virtual LANs between PCs. So here's why it's legit. It has a simple, fast, and it's also completely free. They have a lot of attractive for quick setup and LAN gaming sessions. It also uses AES encryption. They also have a minimal install footprint. We had no account set up, and they have a solid reputation on Trustpilot. However, it comes with some major concerns. They have some privacy and data logging. They also have apparently a security and malware reports. And they have some functional and platform limitations. But it's best for gamers using land and old land-based games. And it's not ideal for anyone needing online privacy and IP anonymity. So in conclusion, Radman VPN is a legitimate software and not a scam, and functions well as a free Windows-based LAN tunnel tool.